Nike is set to keep the Air Max 95 celebration going well into 2026 as the iconic silhouette marks its 30th anniversary. Originally designed by Sergio Lozano in 1995, the Air Max 95 remains one of the most influential sneakers in Nike history. Over the past few months, early looks and rumors have hinted at several upcoming releases tied to this milestone. One of the standout pairs expected next year is the Air Max 95 Big Bubble in the Fauna Brown colorway. This version stays true to the original mid-1990s color blocking, combining black, white, and medium gray across the upper to highlight the timeless design. Fauna Brown accents appear on the branding and extend to the updated visible air units, adding a fresh yet classic touch. The Big Bubble tooling brings back the oversized air units that defined early Air Max models, reinforcing its heritage appeal. The Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble Fauna Brown is expected to release by March 2026, making it a must-watch drop for Air Max fans and collectors alike.